Welcome to part 69 of Daily English. Today's situation. Health vocabulary review. Let's review what you've learned in Unit 7. I don't feel well. Example. I don't feel well today. I have a fever. Example. I have a fever and a headache. I have a cough. Example. I have a cough and a sore throat. I'd like to buy some medicine. Example. I'd like to buy some medicine for my cold. I'd like to make an appointment. Example. I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor. I need an ambulance. Example. Please hurry. I need an ambulance. I exercise every day. Example. I exercise every day before work. I have a toothache. Example. I have a toothache on the left side. Take care of yourself. Example. Take care of yourself and get plenty of rest. Mini conversation. Doctor, good morning. How can I help you today? Patient, I don't feel well. I have a fever and a cough. Doctor, I'll examine you and give you some medicine. Patient, thank you. I'll also make another appointment if needed. Doctor, great. Take care of yourself and get well soon. Daily tip. Excellent work. You can now describe common symptoms, visit a doctor or dentist, buy medicine, make appointments, call emergency services, and talk about healthy habits. Keep practicing these expressions until they become natural in everyday conversations. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're not feeling well. Describe your symptoms, visit a doctor, buy medicine, make a follow-up appointment, and explain how you'll stay healthy in the future. Tell the complete story using at least 10 sentences. Congratulations on finishing Unit 7. Subscribe for Unit 8. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.